ya Nyamira tugusikabose mwanju murigeri yabune nchira yamo yokubayinyura bari abagusiria hobogima bwabo gose konyora chingoma gwetera asemi basokano yechipara ono nigo rishirika rya National Transport and Safety Authority NTSA inse buraibwa yo munyakero goboro sagia rwenseme ya South Nyanza Adan kuno riko bwaterana nababwatani au buna bari abagende bechigari cha matatu chiskuru chuko basemia abagende chigari hamone rishirika ryo musarabo amubariri nigo ritukoria rero bayesokire ryo kuroba semia bwabene guchia sabatumeki bechipara igoro yechi inchira cyugwetanga kuru aseme basokano abagende chigari nigo bono basabiro kwenekya bunanko gendia bare chigari buya na gwetanga kuru asoko bogoria habiria abayetaneti kerengo nabo igo kubwatia hamachiko yobotumeki bwechipara bunago tumanyumuri kito Wycliffe Orenge
abaigana babwatani bekiombe gya Kenya Red Cross ikaunti ya Kisii amona NTSA orosagia rwa South Nyanza bakorwa maigilio gotia asamanyi be ikaunti ya Kisii igoro yechinchera chingia choko bakonya abantu bari babwataranigwe aseme basakano yebara abamenyi nigo basabirwe ko bira ebitambekero bya bwango ariko bakonya bari banywa basakano na gotwara chingoma chimbe na kumia mono litangani.
What happens is when it happens and an accident has happened, instead of recording, do something. Check out for those who are survivors. Check out for those who are in critical conditions. Like now, if you went on the scene and there are those who are not even speaking, they are unconscious and unresponsive, that should be your consideration. Number one, check them out so that you're able to resuscitate them. Resuscitation is what we call CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. And this is possible because you help the heart to take the rhythm back to where it was by pushing the little remaining oxygen into the brain, and the brain commands the heart to take the rhythm back again to where it was, so that then this person gains life.
Kolengana no mubaro uyoruro ne kyombe kya NTSA umubaro bw'abantu bari basirete ubugima bwabo gwetera aseme basakano y'ekipara so mwaka wa 2023 wika omwaka wa 2024 niko yakinire asekerengo gisato igoro yemya aso mwaka wa 2025.
Kauli kwa wananchi ya uhamasisho ya kwamba usalama barabarani ni jukumu letu sote. Kufikia tarehe 13 Novemba, tarakimu inatuonyesha tukifanya comparison ya 2024 na 2025 tayari tumeshafika 1400 na watu 77. Tukikompea na mwaka huu ambapo tayari ni 4195. Tayari kumekuwa na ongezeko ya watu 118. Kama hatutachukua hatua miongoni mwetu kubadilisha tabia zetu tukiwa waendeshaji wa magari, pikipiki na pia wale wanatembea kwa miguu, tunaongeza hali hatari, tunapoteza Wakenya wengi. Tunakumbuka vyema wale wako katika hatari zaidi ni wale wanatembea kwa miguu, wale waendeshaji wa pikipiki na abiria zao.
Nonyana boni babwatani au buna serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii rishirika rya kera amone chiskuru choko bahigeria abagende bechikali niko batebire buna niko barachiko bwaterana ero kweneke buna emebasukano yechibarango kyanere.
Please be cautious on the road. You can save yourself, you can save others, you can endanger yourself, you can endanger others. Let us all play our responsibilities to make sure that our roads are safe.
The county government is trying to expand the access roads so that people don't stay along the road as traffic is there to avoid accidents that we have normally seen happen in this place.
Na umuhimu wa driving school ni kufundisha drivers kuchunga sheria barabarani. Na hivyo ndivyo inavyotakikana kila mahali popote pale ili kwamba drivers waweze kuingia kwa class, waweze kusoma mambo ya sheria ya barabara na kupata leseni kuendesha mambo ya kufanya uchumi wetu kuendelea mbele. Drivers wetu hasa msimu wa Christmas tunataka kuomba kwamba waweze kuchunga sana mambo ya kutumia madawa ya kulevya, kula pombe kupita kiasi na kubeba na kwenda speed na kufanya overlapping kwa barabara.
By ensuring that we have our road furniture, and actually after construction we normally do a road safety audit to ensure that all the road furniture that we have installed in all our roads, they are functioning well to ensure that all our people are safe.
Wono niko yatigere asabatumeki bechipara anene kigima bali bakugende chigali bali bakotara namagoro na bali bakotara nechinyange nechipigipigi weneke bunanko balenda bale abantu balia bakotumeka chipale chiga andaki machinga gechiga chesikuku ekera abantu abanga baganda toko koru sensa yameko kyase semeyende liko ganda kobera na kusangana bamu abo ingo reporter ya Ensoko TV ko wakaiga asoba katika tumo chobo songe county ya Kisii Eritreane Weekly Orenge.